What is the number of distinct cycles of length greater than 1 in the given permutation? So this permutation belongs to the symmetric group S7, because in permutation there are 7 symbols used. So S7. Order of S7 is n factorial and length of this permutation is 7. So what is the meaning of length? Length means number of symbol used. If given permutation I call sigma, then I have to write this permutation in disjoint cycle as 1 is going to 5. You can observe 1 is going to 5, 5 is going to 3, 3 is going to 7 and 7 is going to 1. So first cycle is 1, 5, 3, 7. First cycle close. Now which symbol used in this one? 2 is going to itself and other symbol 4 going to 6. If we have to find order of this permutation, then you can use LCM of length of disjoint cycle. So this cycle length is 4, 2, 1 and LCM is 4. LCM is 4, but what is the number of disjoint cycle? Number of disjoint cycles are 2. You have to count cycles having length greater than 1. So this cycle having length greater than 1 because length is 4 and this cycle has length 2. So there are 2 cycles of length greater than 1. Option A is right one.